Welcome everyone. Join us on a fun journey to learn English through stories. In this video, you'll listen to the story, Antony in Paris. It is filled with useful words and expressions that are commonly used in everyday English conversations. This is an excellent opportunity for you to practice and enhance your English listening and speaking skills. Now, sit back and listen to the story.
Antony had always dreamt of visiting Paris. His dream came true when he won a plane ticket to Paris in a lottery. On the day of his departure, he packed his suitcase with some clothes, a camera, and a guidebook. He took a taxi to the airport. He boarded the plane punctually and felt thrilled when it took off. After a few hours, the plane landed in Paris. Antony felt excited as he stepped out of the airport. After dropping his luggage off at the hotel, he made his way to the Eiffel Tower. Upon arriving at the tower, he bought a ticket and took the lift to the top floor. The view from the top of the tower was breathtaking. He marvelled at the panoramic view of the city. After spending nearly 2 hours at the tower, Antony took the lift down to the ground and bade farewell to the iconic landmark. As he wandered around the streets, he found a nice restaurant. He went inside and ordered a sandwich and a coffee. The restaurant was cosy, with soft music playing in the background. He ate his meal slowly, savouring every mouthful and enjoying the relaxed ambience of the city. Antony continued his journey by visiting the Louvre Museum. He saw many famous paintings, including the Mona Lisa. The area in front of the painting was bustling with a crowd, with everyone capturing the portrait on their phones. The painting was smaller than Antony expected, but very impressive. The museum also housed thousands of statues, sculptures, and ancient artifacts. He spent hours there, looking at the exhibits. In the evening, Antony walked along the Seine River. The lights of the city reflected in the water, creating a beautiful scene. He decided to go on a boat tour. The boat slowly moved along the river, passing under bridges and by famous buildings. Antony's attention was drawn to the distant Eiffel Tower, which was glowing and sparkling in the dark. He gazed at it in amazement. After a long day, he went back to the hotel. He felt a deep sense of satisfaction. He was captivated by the charm of the city. It was just the beginning of his adventure, and he could not wait to see what else the city held in store for him.
Let's learn some interesting and useful words that are in the story. Lottery is a game of chance in which people buy tickets with numbers on, and some people win prizes. Example: he often dreams of winning the lottery. Punctually means at the expected time and not late. Example: the meeting started punctually at 1 p.m. Breathtaking means extremely beautiful, surprising, or exciting. Example: the view from my bedroom window was breathtaking. Panoramic means with a view of a wide area. Example: the tower provides a panoramic view of Tokyo. Wander means to walk around slowly in a relaxed way or without any clear direction or purpose. Example: she spent the morning wandering around the streets. Savour means to fully enjoy the taste or smell of something. Example: she sipped her coffee, savouring every drop. Ambience refers to the character of a place and the way it makes you feel. Example: the gentle colour scheme creates a relaxing ambience. Sparkle means to shine brightly with small flashes of light. Example: the sea sparkled in the sunlight. Captivate means to attract someone very much and hold their attention. Example: everyone was captivated by her beauty. If something unexpected is in store for someone, it is about to happen to them. Example: we do not know what life holds in store for us. Now it's time to test your understanding of the story. There are 4 questions in total. Answer the questions. Question 1. Antony booked the plane ticket online. Question 2. Antony took the stairs to the top of the Eiffel Tower. Question 3. Antony could not see the Mona Lisa because of the crowd. Question 4. Antony toured the Seine River by boat. Here comes the speaking practice. Read the lines on the screen out loud.
Antony had always dreamt of visiting Paris. His dream came true when he won a plane ticket to Paris in a lottery. On the day of his departure, he packed his suitcase with some clothes, a camera, and a guidebook. He took a taxi to the airport. He boarded the plane punctually and felt thrilled when it took off. After a few hours, the plane landed in Paris. Antony felt excited as he stepped out of the airport. After dropping his luggage off at the hotel, he made his way to the Eiffel Tower. Upon arriving at the tower, he bought a ticket and took the lift to the top floor. The view from the top of the tower was breathtaking. He marvelled at the panoramic view of the city. After spending nearly 2 hours at the tower, Antony took the lift down to the ground and bade farewell to the iconic landmark. As he wandered around the streets, he found a nice restaurant. He went inside and ordered a sandwich and a coffee. The restaurant was cozy, with soft music playing in the background. He ate his meal slowly, savouring every mouthful and enjoying the relaxed ambience of the city. Antony continued his journey by visiting the Louvre Museum. He saw many famous paintings, including the Mona Lisa. The area in front of the painting was bustling with a crowd. With everyone capturing the portrait on their phones. The painting was smaller than Antony expected, but very impressive. The museum also housed thousands of statues, sculptures, and ancient artifacts. He spent hours there, looking at the exhibits. In the evening, Antony walked along the Seine River. The lights of the city reflected in the water, creating a beautiful scene. He decided to go on a boat tour. The boat slowly moved along the river, passing under bridges and by famous buildings. Antony's attention was drawn to the distant Eiffel Tower, which was glowing and sparkling in the dark. He gazed at it in amazement. After a long day, he went back to the hotel. He felt a deep sense of satisfaction. He was captivated by the charm of the city. It was just the beginning of his adventure, and he could not wait to see what else the city held in store for him.
If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.